field trip. Where are we going? Wait and see. We are at Reaching Type Foundry to see and have a personal stamp made. This has been open since the 1960s, and it's one of the rare stores that still uses machines to make stamps. Let's see what we can get inside. This is the machine that they use.
Okay, thank you so much.
And instructions of how it is made, I think. Size and prices. And font size. Font type. So you pick from here. Once you pick it, it's considered purchased. You have a lot of choices, different characters. There's rows and rows to choose from. What do you want? What do you want? Do you want your name? What the family wants? What friends want? Let's see. We might be copyrighted because of the music. Here you have the letters of the alphabet. Capital or small letters, numbers, different font types. What do we want? And the finished product is this takore. The stamp is under the takore. Thanks, Ate Mau.